Alright, I'm going to go over, basically you're going to pick all of these, so let's get some instructions here. Chris, read for us in problem 1 and 2. In problem 1 or 2.
In problem 1 and 2, you determine that a cubic function has 3 zeros. The zeros may be real, imaginary, or have multiplicity depending on the key characteristics of the function that will be. Similarly, the fundamental theory of algebra guarantees that a quadratic function has 4 zeros. So key characteristics of quadratic
Quartic.
function also very dependent on the functions that it is.
Thank you, Chris. Alonzo, read the directions. Alright, so we're just going to go in order. So f of x, g of x, m of x, p of x, r of x, and w of x. I'm going to go ahead and explain r of x, and then you guys will do the rest. So r of x is right here. If I figure out the function family, remember the function family is linear, quadratic, cubic. So if I look at this one, if I expand it, it has x plus 2 times x plus 2, and then if you use the FOIL or the box, it's really x squared plus 4x plus 4. So the highest degree there is a 2, and so that's going to be a, which family? Quadratic family. What are the possible number of zeros for this problem? Well, the zeros, I'm not sure, but if I actually graph this, let's graph that. And if I set those equal to 0, everyone say set equal to 0. So if I set, I don't have to do both of them, it's the same problem. If I solve for x up here, what do I get? X equals negative 2. So let's use colors. X equals negative 2. And if you did the same problem again, what would your answer be? X equals negative 2. So why do they see it twice? The same answer twice? That's the bounce. That's the kiss. Does that make sense? So when you solve for x and its x-intercepts, in this case it's telling you where it crosses the x-axis. In this case, it's touching the x-axis. In this case, how many zeros do we have there? 2. Remember, you see 1, but the answer is what? 2. And that's the reason why there's 2. So the number of zeros are 2 real zeros. The reason why it's zeros, again, you have it's touching the x-axis and it's a bounce, so that is 2. So maybe right up here, real or imaginaries. So that column will be real or imaginaries.